Welcome to Helsinki, the home of Genier kettles. This is where the market's most multifunctional mixing kettles are designed and built. We built these kettles to last for decades, not just seasons. This is where heavy-duty stainless steel meets skilled craftsmanship and smart cooking technology. Genier kettles are designed for high-volume kitchens, where things need to run smoothly and safely every day.
Our kettles create value every single time they're used. Days may vary, results never. That's not a promise. It's performance you can rely on. A batch today cooks the same as the batch yesterday. Temperatures stay exactly where they should. Nothing burns, nothing surprises the operator. And the result doesn't depend on who happens to be on shift. It keeps your operation in control because you are not wasting time, ingredients, or energy fixing mistakes. You're simply delivering results exactly as planned.
These kettles are used in all kinds of environments, in heat, cold, humidity, and even the rough condition at sea. But what really stands out to me is their versatility. With the right programs and tools, the same kettle can move from soups and sauces to slow-cooked meats, dough, desserts, and even marshmallows. My role as a Genier chef is to keep finding new ways to use kettles, to develop recipes and show kitchens how much they can actually do with a Genier kettle. So instead of adding more equipment, they can get more out of what they already have.
In our industry, contracts are part of the business. But let's be honest, they don't keep a kitchen running. What matters is that the equipment actually works. That's why we work closely with our local partners. They are the ones on the ground who understand your daily grinds. When something comes up, we solve it together with our partners. Because at the end of the day, the kettle needs to run and your service can't stop.
Our role is to build premium quality kettles, so we make sure we control all the building blocks to make that happen. The mechanics, the electronics and the software. This isn't an assembly line, it's a manufacturing of dedicated professionals. Because we control the whole system, we can really understand how it behaves. That is what makes a Genier kettle more reliable, more energy efficient and easier to operate.
Our kettles are built for constant use. In many kitchens they run most of the day. From our side that means making sure that our partners and the technician can keep them running as easily as possible. Spare parts, troubleshooting, training. Whatever helps the maintenance team to resolve issues quickly because downtime is not exactly what chefs are looking for.
What matters to us is that the right kettle finds the right kitchen. That's why we work closely with our partners, making sure that the solution really fits the way people work. We succeed when our equipment seamlessly integrates into daily operations. The kettle supports the people using it, and as volumes grow, the kitchen can scale without making the work more complicated. That's when the whole kitchen just functions better.
We Finns usually let the engineering do the talking. But with Genier, there's no reason to explain. The performance speaks for itself. When you use it, you know why. Go on, make a new kitchen team happy.